I'm all alone. You see, what happened was I got up this morning and I decided to leave to go pick up my mother and my aunt in Spanish Town. Spain Town in the building. Yeah, I'm going for them for Christmas dinner. They're gonna spend some time with us. Looking forward to that. So first, we want to big up all the new subscribers, all the tenants in the building. Welcome back. Of course, those who paying them rent. Yeah, just remember to tell somebody to like, share, and subscribe. Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you the firework fun, inspirational, real, and educational. Today is going to be all about Christmas, so you're gonna be seeing some footage of us packing the night before. Didn't get much of that because it was a lot of work. Morning, Chief. Respect. Happy holidays, sir. Respect. Yeah, so you're gonna see some of that. Then you're gonna be seeing when the girls woke up in the morning and how they were reacting towards their gifts. And of course, I dropped a little surprise in there for wifey. Yeah, got her a nice Christmas gift. And of course, we got something for some other persons, and we tried to give back in different ways throughout the season. So for those of you who I'm not even saying Merry Christmas, I'm saying Happy Holidays, because some of you may not celebrate Christmas, you may celebrate other things. So we just want to say Happy Holidays to everyone. Wishing you all the best for the season. A lot of persons are not so happy about Christmas time because they're mourning the loss of someone, or they are not able to, enjoy the festive season in any way, shape, or form. On our hearts and our thoughts go out to you, and wishing you a better tomorrow, a brighter tomorrow. There are persons who have mental health issues, and it's magnified in this time as they're alone, or they're feeling depressed based on what they're seeing and feeling. So we just want to send our love and prayers to each and every one of you. What are you guys making?
Smoothies and cupcakes. Wait, no, popsicles and fruitsicles and
Now what's this?
Fruitsicles and cupcakes.
This is the fruitsicles. This is the cupcake. Excited?
Yes. We're gonna put it in the fridge. I think that's how it's because we're gonna put it in the fridge. That makes sense.
What's in it?
Blueberries and mangoes. Chunked blueberries and frozen blueberries.
See? Malaya, come. Yes. You know the fruiticle. The barticle.
This one not close properly, Mom. You can't just close them out properly so that they don't spill out.
Healthy snack. Alright?
Healthy and yummy snacks. Delicious.
Delicious. What are we doing now, Bria?
Making cupcakes.
What's that?
Egg yolk.
Nala, what are we doing now?
We are making cupcakes.
Okay.
Mommy, is this good enough, or do you want me to do it some more?
No, it's fine. Yeah, show it.
Me? Not all of it, because I want to do some.
Show it color and your sister try it.
I see the rainbow parts in it, Mom. I see the rainbow parts in it. This time we're going to make the cupcakes then too. Hold on.
Pour the oil in there, Mama.
Careful. Pour all of it? Yeah.
Turn it over. Turn it over.
My turn.
Hold it down.
Hold it carefully. Don't make it stop. Careful.
Stand.
We're going to push up the chair.
Oh God, that actually. Oh, I just saw some.
No.
No, I saw some chunks.
Yeah, those are the sprinkles.
No, not that. I saw flower parts.
Yeah, so that's why you're gonna have to keep mixing and mixing.
Oh. Oh, there is enough. Oh, Mommy, when you take a picture with Google now, it tells them.
What?
Wait.
Christmas cookies.
Mommy, each get a turn, so I will get another turn. The one on top of it, you mean? You mean the one on top of it?
Look, there's one.
A few moments later.
Alright, then we'll just use for the cookies, Mom. But why is it black?
It's not black. It's one that's a purple.
It just turned darker. Just turned darker.
Second time baking.
Yeah, second time baking. We're gonna spread it?
You can just put the sprinkles on it. Put it in your hand.
Good job, chefs.
We deserve it.
2 nights in a row. Well, still on the weight. No, we're going to the gym in January. All of us.
For real?
Somebody get it on them nose.
Let me see, let me see.
Hello? Alright, good. Alright.
Alright. After 3, 1, 2, 3.
I did not expect this to be so big. Ah! This is the thing that frightened. This is what frightened me.
Look over there. Look there.
Oh, this is what frightened me. Look for me.
You never see the bicycle?
Never see it.
Yeah?
Does this one have brand names? This is the one that frightened me, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. So you can look for the ones with your names.
Alright, come here first. Come here.
Bella.
Look in your bag.
Hold on. So you can.
Look in the bag and take out what's in there and put it on. Bella, look here. Show me. Let me show you something. Stand up. Read that.
Bella. Wait. How did that get on my bicycle?
Mommy never ever see it.
No.
A bicycle named
Oh,
Bella.
the bicycle named Bella.
Perfect fit for her.
Oh my goodness. It's my brand new pair of wheels. I missed you. Wow, this has a bow on it.
Yep.
Don't move it off it, bro.
It can't move it off it.
Yeah.
Bella, look this way.
Happy birthday.
Welcome.
Yours.
Thank you.
Mommy, this is for
Bella, go
Bella.
give Uncle Ahmed that hug. And tell him happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Because I already got mine, so this bell. My present. Hey! What is this? Rio, this is what I wanted Mommy to buy for me. What? Oh!
Bella, you got what you wanted?
Yes, look. I got what I wanted all this time of year. Oh my God. I love pink.
Yeah.
And the bottle, the baby bottle, because it's a baby dog. And when we got baby dogs are puppies. I was wondering, is this a baby foot or something? And I'm like, oh, when I saw this, now this is what I knew. I'm gonna keep. I know with this one. I wonder what is this.
Yeah, girl.
Number one, remember somewhere Bella couldn't.
Yeah.
Me help?
I would do
Just here.
It's guess what? Bruh, I got another one of these. What? The tabby something. Me too. Oh my god. Oh, this is a new one.
It's a new series.
Misfit and get me out. Hold on. Oh, yeah, there's new ones. There's Milo, Whiskers, Bolt. Oh my goodness, I can scratch on this book. What is that? It's a scratch book. Oh, I got the same thing. Let's see it right there. I got a scratch book. See? Every page is black. Oh my god, it's what I wanted! Ah! Can you share with me? Sure. And it has sanitizer. It has sanitizer.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my god.
Breathe this yours. I already opened yours. We already opened the green one.
It's pinker than I thought it would be.
Then I already opened my own. So it said your name, by the way. Okay, I want to open this one. Daddy, can you help me please? This one is better.
Oh my god. Oh my
I
god.
got it. Hello, Mom. Oh, look at his hands.
Look here.
They're supposed to be white, not. He's doing the crab dance. You crab? Stop. Bella, dance with me. Okay. Do this, Bella. No. Alright, I'll dance with you, Mario.
A few moments later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Bridget. Happy birthday, Uncle Ham. 1, 2, 3, go. Bridget.
I didn't get to blow.
Yes, you did.
Yes, you did.
Uncle Hamlet only get to blow one. Uncle Hamlet only get to do one.
Mommy, my
Brianna
sorry,
must do it by herself.
My breath.
Yeah.
So Cufflinks fam, we just went to pick up 2 items at the
2 little things.
2 little things, but when we reach home I'll show you Mrs. Cuff 2 little things. She had a list.
It's not me alone pick up.
She had a list.
With 6 things.
And the list became more than the list.
But that is what happened when you go to the supermarket.
Okay. All things that weren't on the list are part of the list. As baking sort of finished, but I saw her buying baking utensils.
Utensils? It never cash get over on
Ah, you see, God has a way of showing that we don't need it at this time. Anyway.
I hope you don't eat nothing when we bake.
No, but if I don't eat it, who will?
We wait to make gingerbread cookie. Not tonight though, but
We're gonna go drop off a belated Christmas present to one of our godchildren, and then we're gonna go by the lighthouse.
yeah.
Better late than never. Jamaica's most prestigious light show, according to Bassa National Heritage Site. So stay tuned for that. All the time.
Mommy and Daddy.
Yes, Mama.
I saw a dancing Santa.
Mm-hmm.
You do, that's why.
Who did it better?
Huh?
Who did it better? Santa? Bria? Or Bella?